Hi, before this video you should already understand present value, net present value, and basic or ordinary present value of an annuity. You can watch my other free videos on these topics above. It also helps if you have a good scientific calculator which can do a negative exponent sign. Okay, so welcome back to MBAbullshit.com. Our topic for this video is present value of an annuity due, also known as an advanced payment annuity. Okay, remember you can always go back to MBAbullshit.com. Whether you're a college student or a master's business student or even just an executive or anyone who wants to learn about these things or review about these things. Now let's start with a question. Okay, or a case or a situation if you want. Let's say that bank deposit rates right now are now at 5% per annum. Okay, what if someone offered you a sure investment which would give you $100 today, and starting today, and then $100 at the end of the first year, and $100 at the end of the second year, and $100 at the end of the third year? So there are a total of 4 payments starting from year 0 until year 3. Okay? So each payment is equal to each other and it is for a set number of years. Now you remember from the present value of an annuity, the simple present value of an annuity, or the present value of an ordinary annuity, if you call it that the payments start at year 1 and it would probably go until year 4, and you need to find out the value at year 0. But in this case, okay, the payments start at year 0 instead of year 1, okay, and it goes on only until year 3. All right, so that's how it's different from an ordinary annuity. So the given is that the cash flow is $100, or C. R, or the rate of interest, is 0.05, and the number of years that you get this $100 cash every year is 4. How much is this investment worth? Easy. We already know from an ordinary annuity where the payments start 1 year after today, and this was my easy, your professor might have a different version of this, but this was my easy simplified version, and it's exactly the same as what is on your book or your professor gave you. I just moved the variables around to make it easier to compute on your calculator, and I simplify it further by doing this, okay, in which case we can just remove the number 1 over here, okay, because if you multiply something by 1, then the amount is the same. Okay, now for an advanced annuity or an annuity due, which is the topic of this video. Now when we say the word advanced here, I don't mean an advanced lesson or an advanced topic. I mean advanced because the payments come in advance. Okay, you do not need to wait 1 full year to get your first payment, and instead you get your first payment today in advance. Okay, so for an advanced annuity or annuity due, we just change the formula a